Okay, here's a quick video on how to get into the Google Classroom and to your Gmail. First, you want to go to the KPBSD website. So in the address bar, just type KPBSD and hit search. And once you get to this website, you're going to come over here to the Google Classroom and click on Google Classroom. Once you get in there, before you do all this, it's going to ask you to enter your username and password, and I've also included that in the email. So once you get here, you're going to click on, you're going to have, this is my classroom, so I have different classes than you have. You should have writing, reading, math, and specials. So you're going to want to go and join all of those. Right down here in the bottom right hand corner, it should say join or accept invitation or something like that. So for writing, you're going to want to join. For reading, you're going to want to join. And for math and specials, you're going to want to join also. Once you join the classrooms, you'll be able to go into the classrooms. And when we have our Google Meet sessions, the Google Meet link is right here. So if you need to meet in writing at 9:30, you'll come in here and you'll click on this meeting and it'll take you into the meeting for writing. If you were in reading, it would look just like this. It would say reading up here, and you would have a link to the reading meeting. And same thing for math. Also in this is going to be where your assignments are under classwork. So classwork, today's, the ones in blue are the ones that are out there already. This is my screen, so it's showing the gray ones are ones that I haven't put out yet. So this is the only assignment we have working on right now. You can do that assignment, you're going to click on it, and it'll take you to the assignment. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, give me a call.